Hello friends, welcome to my channel A to Z Delicious. Today we are making the most favorite delicious recipe of prawns biryani. This is liked by everybody and the aroma and the flavor are so good and so rich that everybody loves that. Before going to the recipe, please like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the further notification. And now we'll see the recipe how to make prawn biryani. For that I have kept a pan or pot on the gas stove and I'll add 4 tablespoons of oil to it. Vegetable oil, it's a normal. Let it cook, get heated properly. On the next hand, I have kept water for boiling. As we are making biryani, we will need rice to get half done, half cooked. For that I have kept water and I will add salt, a half teaspoon of salt to it and 1 teaspoon of shahjeera to it. Shahjeera gives a good flavor to the rice. And I'll add a tablespoon of ghee to it to make the rice shiny. Here the oil is being heated. I'll add some whole spices to the kadai. 1 bay leaf, a inch of cinnamon stick, black cardamom, star anise, some peppercorns and cloves. Let the spice crackle for a while. Afterwards we'll add curry leaves, okay, and we'll add, I have taken 3 medium size of onions. They are sliced thinly, okay. We'll add some salt. Let the onion cook for a while just to become a translucent. Here the water is boiling and I'll add rice to it. I have soaked this rice for half an hour, okay. Washed properly, cleaned and washed and soaked for half an hour. Now I'll add to the boiling water. As we are making prawns biryani, first step is to cook the rice. As prawns will get cooked very faster, prawns should be ready. They will be ready in 10 to 20 minutes itself. For that, rice should get cooked first. First the rice is done up to 70 to 80%, okay. I have taken long grain basmati rice and I will drain out the excess water and keep the rice to strain out all the water. I'll remove from the hot boiled water. I have removed all the rice from the boiled and kept aside, okay. I have strained all the water. Let it cool a little and we'll make a masala for the prawns. I'll add 4 green chilies to it. I'll add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. I'll saute it a little. Let the raw smell get out of it. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. saute a little. Let all the masala get nicely fried. I'll add 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. You can take any other brand. I have taken Prakash Masale. It's tastes very good. I'll add just few tablespoons of water to get the masala combined together. Only 2 tablespoons of water, so that the oil get releases. Cook for a minute. The masala has released all the oil. I have taken big prawns. They are 700 grams. Okay, I'll add to the masala after cleaning and deveining. Cleaning all the shells out. Now I'll add some salt. We have added while we are sauteing the onions. So be careful about the salt. Stir it properly. Now I will be adding a half cup of mixed curd. This should also be stirred properly. Let it cook for a minute or two. Cook it on slow to medium flame for 2 or 3 minutes. Now let's see the prawns are done or not. I'll add some coriander leaves and mint leaves, and rest will keep for the garnishing. Now we'll turn off the flame over here and start adding the rice to it. We have prepared the cooked rice, half done rice. I'll layer it. I'll have some coriander leaves and mint leaves over here. Again a layer of rice. I have taken 400 grams of basmati rice. This is a long grain rice especially used for basmati for biryani. Very gently we have to spread the rice so that the grain is not getting broken. Coriander leaves and mint leaves. And I'll drizzle some 2 tablespoons of ghee to it. It's a normal ghee, homemade. So this is done. Now we'll light the gas. For 2 minutes we'll cook on a high flame, and afterwards the flame should on the lower side for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Then our prawns biryani is ready to eat. Let's say after 8 to 10 minutes, yeah, our prawns biryani is done. All the rice is been single. The prawns are cooked properly. They are not overcooked. Okay, they are soft also. Let's check. So biryani is ready, and I will take it out in the serving bowl. The rice is cooked properly. It's juicy also, as we have added the curd to it. The prawns is cooked properly, and the rice is well shiny and single grain. It's not at all sticky. So this is the way I make my prawns biryani. We'll garnish with the fried onions. I like cashew and nuts also. And of course, coriander and mint leaves. So our prawns biryani is ready to eat. If you like this my recipe, please share, comment and like my channel, and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the further notification. Thank you, and do take care of yourself.